Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Yak.Productions. This is Joshua, aka Yak, and forgive me, I'm a little under the weather, but that should not stop us from getting to the lesson that we need to learn today. In today's lesson, I will show you guys how to properly select the best shots from your shoots. So I just did a shoot with a very fire restaurant called Wing and Pot, and they had some of the best wings I've ever had in my life. I'd already dumped it onto my hard drive, so we're gonna go to my hard drive here. This is my client hard drive, and then we're gonna go to Willie W and then Wing and Pot photo day. So as you know, when I shoot with my camera, I have a setting to where it shoots in JPEG and RAW. So it takes 2 photos per photo. RAW CR3 is the colors are flat, and JPEG the camera kind of edits it itself. But me, since I'm a photo editor and since I'm going to teach you how to photo edit, we're going to edit and choose the best CR3s. So without further ado, let's open this up. All right, so now we're going to click group, and then we're going to separate it by application so it can separate it from the CR3s and the JPEGs. So we're going to scroll all the way to the middle so we can highlight all of the CR3s. Like that. Bam, we got 367 photos. Gonna put that in the folder, and then we're gonna name this raw, just like that. We're gonna select all these, drag down, and then we're going to click new folder, and there we go. So name that JPEG, and nice. So now we're gonna go into the raw folder. We're gonna rename these photos as well, so we're gonna press Command A, and then we're going to rename. So we're gonna name this Wing and Pot. And there we go. All the photos are renamed, and we're gonna do the same thing for this. Just to have, you know, sometimes it's easy to just send these JPEGs to the client without having to edit. And there we go. All of them are renamed. All right, so now next we'll go to RAW, and then we're gonna click the first one. We're gonna open this in the gallery view so that we can get a better grasp, and then I'm going to expand this. So, and there we go. Oh man, it looks so good. So with this shoot, we're not going to start with number 1 because at the shoot we ended up getting a charger plate. So we're going to start with this here, because with these photos we had better shots with it on a charger plate. So we're going to just ignore those photos. There we go. Since I like this photo, we're going to press Control 1 to make it tag red. And Control 1 through 7 allows different colors. You got red, orange, purple, so on and so forth. So the ones that we like, we're going to press Control 1. So now that you know how to choose your photos by pressing Control 1 through 7, choosing whatever color you want to tag it with, I'm going to go ahead and choose all the rest of the photos, and then I'm going to see you guys at the end of the time lapse. Alright, so we're done with the selection process. Now we're going to click the view to columns. This is most definitely my favorite way to do it. And we're going to group it by tags. And it's going to take us back to the beginning. Willie W is the one, and then we're going to go to RAW. And then we're going to see all of our highlighted ones, and we're going to just highlight the highlighted ones and then put that into its own folder called Chosen RAW. So we're going to name that Chosen RAW. And there we go. Now it's ready for us to put it into Adobe Lightroom to start editing. What we did here was choose all the photos that were very clear and the photos that were honestly just the best of the best out of that bunch. So we're going to take it to the Lightroom and, you know, brighten the colors, do all that stuff, and that will be for the next episode. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, forgive me, I'm under the weather. And I hope that this kind of clarifies on how to choose and organize your photos. So yeah, be seeing you on the next video, man. Yak, we out.